Dr. Bernardo Jr. Marquez, most remarkable student. Dr. Yan Pan, most joyful student. Dr. Devi Ramawati, most erudite student. Dr. Rizquiola, most supportive student. Dr. Raiza Elitco Salinas, most scholarly student. Dr. Wawat Pinawati, most generous student. Dr. Tuwo Tian, most industrious student. Dr. Annabel Joy Takala Villamarin, most eloquent student. Dr. Yamin Wang, most jubilant student. Dr. Yongbo Wang, most enthusiastic student. Dr. Ting Ting Zhu, most honest student. Dr. Rupen Yan, most fervent student. Dr. Yuedong Yu, most determined student. Dr. Tri Luis, most serious student. Dr. Wei Yang Zhang, most resilient student. Dr. Zue Zhang, most participative student. Dr. Xiao Zhu, most adaptable student. Dr. Joanna Marie David Rock, most energetic student. And to all of you, I hope I didn't miss anybody. Please let me know. We are so proud of you. And this is the moving up ceremony in current uses and trends in educational management. This is yours truly, Dr. Alvin C. Cutter, Professor. And this is the CCAT Idea Borderless Education at its best.